Hey guys, welcome back to Indelible Elevations Limited Digital Workshops Mini How-To Tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an account for Google Drive. Now this quick tutorial is purely for how to create an account for Google Drive. If you already have an account and wish to know how to sign in or how to create a document, why not check out my 1-minute creating a Google Doc video on my channel. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna get up Google Drive. I type in Google Drive, click on the first one you see, go to Google Drive. Now we haven't got an account, so let's create one. This one is for myself. Now if you want to do it for a business, you can go ahead, but today we're going to be doing it for ourselves. So purely for the video, I'm going to be using alias names. Now choose any password you wish, but you must use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. And a symbol can be anything from a full stop to an exclamation mark to a question mark or even a star. Once you've done that, you can press next. As you can see, I've used a full stop. The username's already been taken, and they've given a few other options. You don't have to go with these options, you can choose something else. Like, I think I'll go for, I think I should be safe with that. Yep, okay. Now here is where you put in your phone number. And if you have a recovery email address, that would be a good idea to put that in. Date of birth. You then get a confirmation. Which I'm just looking for my phone now. And maybe when the message comes through, I might just find the phone. So I've got my verification code, which is 717604. Now this option, if you would like, you can add your phone number to your account for the use across Google services. So if you're making a video call, you can use your Google Services option. I'm going to opt in for this, but you can skip that if you wish to. These are your terms and conditions. It's always good to read through your terms and conditions. Always. This is just to back up that you're confirming what you're pressing. Press our options that can show you what they're talking about. This is the new GDPR that came in. You have an additional option if you want reminders about these, but I'm not going to press that because I've got quite a few of those coming through now. And there we have it. You now have access to Google Drive. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. And I'd like to thank you for watching. And until next time, goodbye.